Hi, this is Gina Nieves of Marknet Group. I'm going to be showing you how to set up goals in Google Analytics. Goals are really important to measure the success of your website or specific campaigns, whether it's a pay-per-click landing page or you have an e-commerce site, or simply trying to understand how much time people are spending on your site and you want to see conversion rates. So I'm going to set up a goal in my example for a workshop that I offer in my company. So this is the page where I have my workshop. So this is the beginning of the goal. It's marknetgroup.com workshop. So let's fill out this form. I filled it out here, and then I'm going to check out. It takes me straight to a PayPal page, which is taking forever, and now it's going to allow me to make payment. Now in this case, I'm not going to make payments. I kind of jerry-rigged it so that when I hit cancel and return, it actually takes me to payment confirmation page. So here's my registration confirmation, and the URL is marknetgroup.com/registration confirmation. This page is my goal page. That's what I want people to get to. That's my destination URL. Okay, so keeping that in mind, let's go to Google Analytics. So the first thing you do is you log into your Google Analytics. This assumes that you have set up Google Analytics and integrate it with your website. And you go into Edit. You don't go into View Report, you go into Edit. So let's do that right now. And over here you have 4 sets of goals, and you can have 5 goals in each set for a total of 20. So you would hit Add Goal. Now I already created this one, so assume you're hitting Add Goal. And here we go. You enter your goal name. In my case, it's Increase Your Sales Workshop. It's active. It's my first set, goal number 1. And then please select the goal type. In this case, like I said, it's a URL destination. I want the person to get to my registration confirmation page. That means success to me. Or you can do it whether it's time on site or pages per visit. Then you have your match type. You can do a head match, an exact match, or a regular expression match. I'm going to do a head match, or let me do exact match. So it has to go to a specific URL. And in this case, it's the registration confirmation, which is what you will enter right here. Let me say this, you do not need to put in the entire URL. So my website, www.marknetgroup.com/registration confirmation, I exclude everything at before.com. So it would just be registration confirmation. And then a goal value. My workshop is $294, so it's a goal value. Every time someone registers, that's my value. And now you have your goal funnel, and that really is a series of pages leading up to the goal. So my first page is the workshop page. The second page is the registration confirmation. Now some people have more elaborate steps to accomplish a goal, such as a product. You may want to track if a person's first looking at the product in the featured products page and then going to the product detail page and then adding it to cart and then checking out. Or you may want to track if they're going to the category page and then selecting the product, and you can measure the effectiveness of each route to check out. So in this case, again, I'm just putting everything after the .com workshop and then registration confirmation, and I save my goal. Now this is a required step. I cannot accomplish my goal without filling my form out. So save goal. Done. You've just set up your goal. Now you go to View My Reports, and I'll show you how you can see the results of your goals. You're in the report dashboard. You go to Goals, and I better just pick today because I just did this morning, so I don't have anyone but me doing this. There you go. Okay. So in my case, I'm going to select the one goal I just created, and I have the conversion rate and the abandonment rate. So let's look at this. Total conversions is 1. Conversion rate 6.25. And then let's just go straight to funnel visualization. And here is where I can see what happened. 2 people got on my workshop page. 1 person exited the page without completing registration. 1 person continued to make payment and went to the registration confirmation page. So it's 50% funnel conversion rate. And that's basically the way it works. This conversion rate doesn't match the 6.7% that you previously saw, because this is the percent of the people that actually started the process. So 50% started, 2 people started and only 1 completed the process. Over here what you have is how many people got on the site, that's this conversion rate, got on the page and didn't even begin to fill out the form, so they didn't even begin to continue through the entire process. So that's about it. That's how you set up goals, and it's important to set up goals. We do it with every pay-per-click campaign we do with our e-commerce customers, or anything we want to measure on a website. Enjoy Google Analytics. It's extremely powerful, and there's a lot of things there for you to use to measure your success. Okay, thank you.